Hello everyone, today we are going to make friendship band. For this we need yarn. This is almost like 40 inches. Then 4 straws, they are different colored, and then a scissor. So let's begin. So first we'll start by taking a straw and measuring 1.5 centimeter, right? So you can take a scale and measure 1.5 centimeter. So this point is 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so I'll just make a cut here. Okay, and cut it. Okay, so this is my 1.5 centimeter. Okay, now I need to cut 6 of these, okay, with one color. So 6 of yellow, 6 of green, 6 of purple, and 6 of pink. So now how do we do that? Each one should be of the same size, right? So what we are going to do is, I'll take this sample of mine, place it on the straw like this, right? And then I'm going to cut it, right? So now I have exactly the same size, right? So this is 2. I need to cut 4 more. So again I'm going to place it here, and then again I need to cut it. Okay. So now there are 3. So that way I'm going to cut 6 of these, and again 6 of green, 6 of purple, and 6 of pink. Okay, so now I have cut 6 of pink, 6 of purple, 6 of green, and 6 of yellow. Okay, now the next step you need to be very careful about. I'll be showing it right now. So I'll just keep these aside. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, you need to take this 40-inch yarn, but just for showing you I'm using a shorter one, so that you are able to understand the process. Okay, so for this, first you need to keep one piece of the straw which you have just cut like this, and then you have to take one end of the yarn, put it inside the straw. So this is how I'm going to do it. So it goes inside, it comes out. Okay, now I'm going to take the other end, and then I'm going to put it inside from this side. So this end I've put that inside from this end, and the other end of the yarn I'm going to put from the opposite side of the straw. Okay, so now I'll just put this inside this. It goes like this. Okay, so now you can see that this end has gone inside the straw and come out from here, and this side has gone inside the straw and came out from here. Okay, and then what we are going to do is, just we need to take these 2 ends and pull it. So as I'm pulling it, you can see that our first layer is formed. Now we are going to repeat this process until all of our straws, all of these pieces, straw pieces, are completely used. So again, now I've used this pink. Now I'm going to use maybe yellow. So now I'll put this. So again I'm going to show the same process. Okay, so this is one end, this is the other end of the yarn. Okay, I'm going to put this first end inside the straw. So it goes inside, and then it comes out from here. Okay, now I'm going to take the other end, and I'm going to put it inside from this side. So this is opposite to this side, right? So now I'm going to put this inside. It goes inside, and comes out from here. Okay, So my one end is here and the other end is here. Okay, now what I need to do is I just need to take the two ends and pull them. See. Okay. Right. So this way we are going to continue until all of our straw pieces are done. Okay. So now we are done with this, and now we need to close this, right? So this is how we are going to close it, right? So we are going to take one end. So I have this long end left. I can just cut it into small, right? So I'll just cut it from here. Okay. And now what I need to do is I need to take this end, put it inside the first one. Okay, it may be difficult for you to do, so you can use the other end, this is the opposite end of a paintbrush, to insert this inside this straw. So where it comes out, let's see. So that was pretty quick, right? And now I'm going to take this end and put it inside this one, and this is how I'm going to close it. Yes, even this can go inside it. So I'll just use this other end of the paintbrush, push the yarn inside until it comes out, and here it is. You see, it has come out, and then I'm going to make a knot. So one and the other one. Okay. So this is done now. Okay. For these loose ends, we can actually attach some, we can hang some beads on them so that they look beautiful, as I have done in this one. So I have attached these two beads here, right, and it is looking nice. One more thing what you can do is you can take a small piece of yarn and then hold this one like this, then put it inside this, then you can make a heart from a paper. Okay, so I've inserted a heart in this, and then I'm going to tie it. Okay. So you can hang these small hearts. I've cut this out from foam papers and then made a hole, and then I just inserted them with a toothpick, right? And then you have to tie them on these parts, right? So the friendship band is complete. Wow, this looks pretty.